Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fade edges of photo in Canva. So here's the photo. Go to elements, look for this shape right here, and then change this to color yellow. Now you can cover the whole picture. You just have to simply resize the shape to cover the whole picture right here. So once you have covered it with the shape, you can now scroll down and look for gradient here. Select whatever color you want. Let's just say the blue one here. Go back to colors and you can add up to, let's just say, 4 colors here. So let me add at least 4 colors. So there are all 5, including the first color. Now you can just simply tap the first and the second one. Okay, and then decrease opacity or the intensity into 0. Also the first color. Okay, move this or decrease to 0. And then for other colors right here, you can change this to whatever color you want. Let's just say white. Okay, so here it is. This is how you simply create fade edges of photo in Canva. To have a good result, copy this picture to second page and then download this using the transparent option. Okay, transparent background. Tap transparent background. Then download, go back, and then go to the first picture, delete the effects right here. I mean, just put the original, remain the original, and then upload the second picture. Drag this to the picture, and this is what it looks like. Okay, feel free to resize. Okay, and then it's up to you. But this is how you simply create or do fade edges of photo in Canva. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.